The life sciences program is built like a lot of biology programs are, where it has a relatively small number of courses that you take as the core, and then has a lot of exploratory space. And so based on where they're planning to take that degree with them, they may need different prerequisites to go into those professional programs. And so we give them a lot of leeway to be able to figure out what it is that they need. Biology is really complicated. You get your mind blown, and then you have to come back to the classroom the next day and figure out what to do with it. Even matters of faith come up in the science classroom. We embrace those things, and I don't necessarily tell them what to think, but I guide them through ways of thinking.
When you find out something new about the natural world, it is so exciting. It opens up new aspects and it makes you think about things very, very differently. You'll be able to effectively communicate scientific principles to the larger public. You can move into the medical field, the animal field in something like veterinary medicine, or you can work in ecology or in exercise science.
Educators teaching biology or science at the secondary education level, so middle school or high school, who want to work in the health sciences, to work in a laboratory, also those who are interested in environmental science, best prepared for success when they leave here. And I help them construct the best way for them to see God through the natural world.